we're going to do in this video is learn how to make congruent line segments using just a compass, I have one here, and a straight edge, like a ruler. So there's a bunch of ways you could do this, but first, let's just make a line segment here. So right over there, I'm just drawing that arbitrarily, and now let me use my straight edge to actually connect the points. So there we go, I have my line segment. Now there's a bunch of ways I could do it. Let's say I want this to be the endpoint of my new line segment that is congruent. It might be in a different orientation. One option is I could take this ruler and I could try to measure it out and get the same distance over here. But instead, what I'm going to do is just use my compass. So if I just take my compass and make it so that one point is at one endpoint and that the other point is right over at the other endpoint, just like that. So there you go. Then I could do the same thing over here. Put one endpoint there, and now any point that's on this other edge here could be the endpoint of a congruent line segment. So I could just pick that arbitrarily and then take my straight edge here. Sorry, this camera, I'm just using it the first time, is going in and out of focus, but hopefully you can see what's going on. And there you have it. I've just made a congruent line segment. Same length, different orientation.